Welcome to my review of Fleet Complete, an all-in-one fleet management and driving app designed for businesses looking to streamline their vehicle operations. From GPS tracking to maintenance scheduling, Fleet Complete offers a wide range of features to ensure your fleet is running efficiently. When you first launch the app, you're greeted with a user-friendly dashboard that provides an overview of your vehicles in real time. The interface is clean, making it easy to navigate between different sections. You can see the current location of each vehicle, as well as historical routes and trips. The app gives you the ability to track the speed, fuel usage, and driving behavior of each driver, which can be valuable for improving fleet efficiency and reducing costs. The route optimization feature helps ensure your vehicles take the most efficient paths, saving on time and fuel. There's also an automated maintenance schedule that reminds you of when your vehicles need servicing, which is a great tool for maintaining your fleet's longevity. Fleet Complete also integrates with various third-party systems, making it easy to incorporate it into your existing business tools. It's scalable, which means it works for small businesses with just a few vehicles, as well as larger fleets that require more sophisticated tracking and management. In terms of mobile functionality, the app performs well on both iOS and Android, offering flexibility for users regardless of their device preference. The real-time notifications help keep fleet managers informed of any issues or changes on the road. Whether it's monitoring driver behavior or scheduling vehicle maintenance, Fleet Complete keeps everything in one place, making it an effective solution for businesses of all sizes. Overall, my experience with Fleet Complete has been positive. While the app offers a lot of powerful features, the pricing can be a consideration for smaller businesses. That said, if you're looking for a robust solution to manage your fleet efficiently, Fleet Complete could be the right choice. Many useful links can be found in the description. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews on driving and fleet management apps.